Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a mobile wallet transfer on PayPal. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here you just go to the top left corner, tap on the three lines, then you tap on mobile wallet transfers, and here the app is going to load a little bit, and then after it finishes you will be able to search for the country where you are sending the money to. Let's say you want to send money to Austria, you select it, and then you type in the amount of money that you want to send, and select the receiving option. Then you tap on next, and after the uploads, you will be able to enter the bank details and then follow the steps that the app indicates to finish the transfer. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.